I was gifted 2 slot car sets in Adelaide, and these are the cars. There was a SCX set and a Scalextric Bathurst set. So it was the Russell Ingle and Marcus Ambrose V8 Bathurst set, which is the same set that first got me really keen into slot cars, because they were the first proper Australian made cars that, as in Ford and Holden, that were represented in slot cars. So these are a little bit rough, but I'll be able to fix them up. There's also a Batmobile, the Tumbler, and Gotham Police Department. This car, the slipper terminal had detached from the wire, so I reattached that, but the red wire to the lights is broken off, so I haven't been able to reconnect that. The lights don't work, but I got the car going again. This one goes no worries. The Tumbler, that goes no problems. So this is one of the SCX cars. I don't know whether that goes or not. This Scalextric Ford Focus, I think, that goes. That just needed a new guide, so that works. Another SCX car. Bit of damage there on the chassis, but I can definitely get these two going because I have a brand new spoiler and I have 2 complete chassis. Falcon one and the Commodore one. So they're ready to go. So I'll be able to fix those 2, no problems.